Welcome to the Herman NONWOVENS Application Laboratory. My name is Vojislav Rajkic from the Herman Engineering team, and I will show you around the lab today. Come in! In our state-of-the-art laboratory, we have everything we need to simulate realistic production processes. This way, we can develop a perfect solution for your individual application and requirements. For our test, we have different calendars on which we can test different speeds and widths. This is our main machine, you will see 800. On this machine, we can achieve warp speeds of up to 800 meters per minute. We can perform tests up to 3 rolls of different raw materials in continuous operation. The ultrasonic station can be especially modified depending on the application. We can carry out tests with up to 3 ultrasonic units, static or rotating under a rotating anvil. These are just 2 examples of anvil rollers with different patterns that we can use for the tests. In total, we have around 100 different anvils. They have a width of 320 millimeters with different geometries and bonding surfaces to suit your specific application and come as close as possible to the final process. Thanks to our process monitoring, we are able to record and visualize every important parameter of our welding tests. We are happy to share these detailed laboratory reports with you to ensure maximum transparency. For proper evaluation and comparison of the samples that we have won from these trials, we have different instruments like microscopes and our tensile strength measuring machines. Additional important insight comes from techniques such as DSC analyzers, which allow us to analyze materials on a molecular level. This enables us to develop a bonding process that is perfectly suited for your individual materials. We are convinced the best ultrasonic bonding solution is developed together. As your trusted advisor, we work closely with you from the very beginning, from the initial idea to integration and beyond. Your benefit at all the times from the services is our Herman Engineering. As a result, you can get a solution that exactly fits your needs. If you want to bond your nonwovens more efficiently and sustainable, we are the perfect partner for you. For more information, just visit our website